say they were investigating reports of fireworks on 49th Street just before 11 when officers noticed the victim holding a gun. When they confronted him, the victim began shooting, and that's when officers fired back. The officer is on paid administrative leave as the department investigates. Leon?
All right, Michelle, covering Metro tonight now and plans for the next phase of the transit agency's Safe Track program. This next phase starts tonight at 8 o'clock, and this time around it's the yellow and the blue lines getting some work. Our transportation reporter Brianne Carter now has what you need to know.
Disruptions and delays are expected in the days ahead for yellow and blue line riders as Metro crews tonight begin phase 3 of the system's year-long maintenance overhaul. Starting at 8 o'clock, train service will shut down between the Braddock Road and National Airport metro stations. Shuttle buses will be available to riders trying to get to and from the airport, while bus bridges will replace trains to get commuters around the closure. Metroway, the area's bus rapid transit system, will also let you hop on for free during the 7 days trains aren't running. Jerry Slater already takes the train and a bus to get to his job in Georgetown. He says starting tomorrow, he will have to add an extra hour to his commute.
The traffic, and then you got the rush hour. So I probably had to leave out, so like if I had to be to work like 1 o'clock, really I probably had to leave probably about like 11.
Metro is urging riders impacted by the closure to find any alternatives possible. In Alexandria, Brianne Carter, ABC 7 News.
You can get text alerts about Safe Track by sending the word Metro to us at 43817. And you can also sign up for those messages at WJLA.com.
Turns out Metro isn't the only major city transit system having some problems. The Southeastern Pennsylvania Transportation Authority in Philly had to sideline more than 100 rail cars because they suffered fractures and fatigue cracks. As a result, SEPTA trains are running late with delays of as much of half an hour. All right, 7's on your side with a consumer alert now. Starbucks is about to cost you more bucks. The coffee chain is raising their prices on certain drinks beginning on the 12th. However, a computer glitch caused the increase to happen early, and some customers were shocked when they were overcharged a maximum of 30 cents. Starbucks also raised their menu prices last July, and I don't think it'll stop anybody from going in. Oh, not at all. Folks are addicted. And just think about how much coffee or lattes you could have and buy if you win tonight's Mega Millions jackpot. It is up to now $454 million. No one has won the lottery since March. Your odds of winning are 1 in almost 259 million, which is why no one has won since March. We'll have the winning numbers for you tonight at 11 o'clock. Well, right now, all we need is enough money to buy a big block of ice to go plant our butts on right now.
Yeah, I mean, it kind of came at us real quick. Yesterday was so cool and damp. Now it's hot and humid. That's the story for the next 4, maybe 5 days around the area here. So let's drill down and give you details. We'll give you a time lapse. This from the Spotsylvania County Fire and Rescue headquarters in Spotsylvania. 85 degrees there right now. During the afternoon, they've had some sunshine. A couple little downpours have popped up, not quite in Spotsylvania, the town of, but a little farther south in Spotsylvania County, kind of looking the edges of those showers that are moving through right now. As far as what's happening, the way it feels outside, we like to use this graphic sometimes because we know that in the summertime with high temperatures and increasing humidity levels, it often feels warmer than what the thermometer indicates. So a real good way to show that is the feels like temperature. And this is legit. It's not made up. It's a real calculation. It feels like 100 degrees outside in Fredericksburg right now. It feels like 97 degrees in Washington and Leesburg. Feels like 91 in Frederick, 97 in Culpeper. Feels like 92 degrees in Annapolis as we speak, and 94 at Patuxent River Naval Air Station. Now, we've had the showers we've been watching popping up, still maintaining south of the metro area. And if you look at their track here, it's going to be pretty persistent out of the northwest to the southeast, and that has a track moving across Stafford County, northern Spotsylvania County, across Charles County, Maryland, St. Mary's County, and off to the bay. Isolated showers possible in the metro area, but clearly the better chances the next few hours will in fact be south and west of the metro area. A few more across the mountains we'll keep an eye on. Most of these should wash out by sunset once the heating in the day diminishes. Severe thunderstorm watch just posted for the central sections of North Carolina. So at the ballpark tonight should be pretty good baseball weather. A little bit steamy down there at first pitch, about 87 degrees. But again, the chances of rain very, very slim at the ballpark, staying very warm and humid throughout the night. Our futurecast suggests that we'll have clearing skies overnight, maybe some fog, and then tomorrow another hot and humid day in the lower 90s. It will feel much warmer, feeling like 100 degrees in spots. As we get through the afternoon hours tomorrow, the heat and humidity could pop up, a few little showers or isolated thunderstorms. Same deal on Thursday and Friday. In fact, Thursday and Friday, a little better chance of afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. With the heat and humidity and light winds tomorrow, the code orange air quality alert has been issued for the day tomorrow, a wide area all the way to the Bay and beyond through New Jersey up towards New York City. So planning ahead for your Wednesday. It's going to be partly cloudy, very warm and humid, highs near 91 with that slight chance of afternoon showers and storms, feeling more like 100 degrees. Look how many days in a row we have of this. 91, 93, a pair of 95s to end the week. But notice not high end, but rather lower end chances of showers and thunderstorms, turning clearer and cooler, a little bit cooler as we head through Sunday and Monday. And want to tell you about Alexandria's big birthday bash Saturday at 5 at Orinoco Bay Park at 9:30 fireworks. And again, we're hoping any shower or thunderstorms will be over well in advance of fireworks time.
Well, somebody's going to get lucky then finally.
Sooner or